Two Floyd County men are under arrest for possession of child sexual abuse materials. The arrests come after two separate investigations by Indiana State Police. The first began when law enforcement got multiple tips from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. They indicated that between last September and last March, an individual was uploading pictures depicting child sexual abuse. That led to the arrest of Timothy Lee Newberry. In the second investigation, officers arrested Jesse Edward Kane Worley. Both men are charged with possession of child sexual abuse and are being held in the Floyd County Jail.